Good evening, everybody. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Secretary Sri J. Ashok Kumar ji, MD GTDC Sri Nikhil Desai, international delegates, stakeholders, dignitaries of the dais, press, media, ladies and gentlemen. I extended a warm welcome to all our guests participating here at the Goa International Tourism Mart 2019 in this lovely state of Goa. It is a privilege for me as the Deputy Chief Minister of Goa and Tourism Minister to address you all at this event that Goa is hosting and which has in store big benefits for all the participants and Goa as well. It is a proud moment for us in Goa to be hosting the GITM 2019, days after Goa bagged two very prestigious national tourism awards. One of the best state for adventure tourism and second for the comprehensive development of the tourism. Goa is a small state in India having the coastline of 105 kilometers. The state attracts tourists across both its districts in the north side, north and south, and is blessed with naturally rich interland temples, churches, forts, etc. Over the years, Goa has become a popular destination for tourists who love adventures, heritage, food, wellness, and etc. Goa is also known for its nightlife and events and activities related to music, fashion, festival, football, and fairing. Goa tourism has taken giant step in ensuring measures safety and security of tourists visiting Goa. It has also ensured measures for cleanliness and hygiene at its tourist location. We have launched taxi service app Goa Miles Further, convenience and comfort of visiting tourists. Today, Goa has a lot to offer tourists by way of adventurous activities. To name some, like hot air balloon rides, bungee jumping, battery-operated cycle tours, scuba diving, and hop-on, hop-off bus tours. During the monsoon, one can avail of whitewater rafting and eco-trail. Goa is also a hot spot for bird lovers, filmmakers, and photographers. Various medical facilities in Goa, like yoga and spas, has made Goa a popular wellness tourism destination. During the last few years, Goa has been receiving tourists from international and national destinations, and we are confident that in the years to come, the numbers will increase. In these 3 days of GITM 2019, we will see lot of interaction between the buyers and the sellers and the tourism and the travel business. I wish all our participants, guests, media and all those who will be attending this event great success and a pleasant stay in Goa. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.